お前はもう何
Can you list the first 5 prime numbers? No? Don't worry, it's quite easy. Let's start. A prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Can you speak English? A factor are numbers that need to be multiplied in order to create your desired number. Let's take 2. In order to create 2, you need to multiply 2 and 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Let's go for another example. Let's take 3. How do we get to 3? 1 times 3 equals 3. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Those are 2 factors. The number 3 has 2 factors. If it has 2 factors, it's a prime number. Let's do another one. Let's take 4. So what are the factors of 4? How do we get to 4 multiplying whatever numbers? We have 1 times 4, but we also have 2 times 2. So the factors of 4, if we have to write it in a orderly fashion, is 1, 2, and 4. And if a number has more than 2 factors, it isn't a prime number. It is not a prime number. If we have repeating factors like 2 times 2 or 3 times 3, we do not write the factor out twice. We only write it out once in the list. Okay, so let's take 5. How do we get to 5? 1 times 5 equals 5. And that's about all I can think of. So the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Those are 2 factors. Therefore 5 is a prime number. Let's go for 7. The factors of 7, 1 times 7, 1 and 7. 7's a prime number. 9, how do we get to 9? 1 times 9, also 3 times 3. So 9 has the factors of 1, 3, and 9. Therefore, it is not a prime number. As you can see, we just went over the first 4 prime numbers, being 2, 3, 5, and 7. I'm going to leave the 5th prime number. You find that one out. You find out the 5th prime number. What about the number 1? Is 1 not a prime number? 1 is not a prime number. Yeah, 1 is a non-prime number. The number 1 is a non-prime number. The number 2 is quite special. It is the only even prime number. Not that special. In your test, they're going to give you a number and say, is this a prime number? So use your calculator. Take that number, try and divide it by 3, 7, 9, 13, 15. See if it can be divided by any number. And if it can, it is not a prime number. If you see an even number, it is not a prime number. Test time. Is this a prime number or a composite number? 5 only has 2 factors, 1 and 5. Therefore, it is a prime number. The number 21, we have 1 times 21, 3 times 7. 21 has more than 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. It is composite. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. The number 30, we have 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. That's quite a lot of factors. Therefore, it is not a prime number. The number 97, its factors are 1 and 97. Only 2 factors. So it is a prime number. Is this stuff important? Not really. Not too important. It is easy marks. 4 marks, 4 easy marks. So don't stress too much about this. Learn the first 100 prime numbers if you're really scared about this stuff. But overall, don't stress about this stuff. In grade 10, 11, 12, you barely get asked about prime numbers, I think. Boom, 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 boom. It is time to do your homework. It's time to do your homework. It is time to do your homework. It is homework time. Wakey wakey, it's homework time.